Man, oh freaking man. Came to realize why I was sweating so much because I was drinking hot tea. It's making my body hot, making my body real warm, so I was sweating too. That was another thing. So yeah, that's pretty great for the detox. That's the water done boiling right now. Might add some more chai. I added some more water to that chickpeas, and I added some agave in there because I wanted to make it sweet. It was a little bit too spicy. I think a tea fast is really great for people who want to transition into like fasting. Because some people think that water fast is just too strict. It's, hey, do a tea fast, you know? Add natural sweetener, agave, you know what I'm saying? You still get the detox. You still get the ability to think and whatnot. So yeah, I did cook that. And I was gonna look at my vision board. I didn't get to look at it. I think I did beforehand, but I was gonna look at it again. I'm still gonna look at it today regardless. Gotta focus on vision and whatnot. But yeah, still got stuff to do. It was great not being distracted, you know, as far as doing to extreme distractions, you know. But that alludes to that it takes it alludes to this, you know, harm towards ourselves, destructing ourselves, destroying ourselves, abuse towards self. But it feels really great. It's a great way to get stay focused and stay on point. I'm trying to think. What should I do? Should I do it again or should I not? Because I already ordered some food or whatnot. But I already told y'all the quinoa, grapeseed oil, things that are coming to play, things that are coming to alignment. So that's why if you guys see me and thinking, because I got a series of things coming up and I won't be starved or stuck in the devil's pen. Yeah, that's a great way to phrase it. And I say devil symbolic wise, because we don't do religion. Religion comes from the word religion, which is to bind, which is to hinder. So by following one's mind, you are hindering your own growth. And it's been so freaking cold right now as of where it's at. Talking about Siberian week. I just can't believe that. Like, this is not the place for the tropical, man. Like I said, gotta get this. I think things are coming in alignment, things are coming into play. But it's just as far as the surprises, the alarming things that come with it can rather make you, you know, very challenging. But hey, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this the right way because we did the right way, simply off the right way we felt. You know, we had to leave the negative being, and we still gotta further leave the negative environment. Get some things aligned so we can leave or leave. You know, but this is when meditation comes into play, deep thinking and whatnot. But just wanted to be transparent with this. Part of the storage is not ready yet, so it might kick us off. But till that comes, you guys can book a consultation. DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us already, go ahead and do that. We post on a regular here. Yeah. Send us an email, info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject consultation. To book one. Get your one-of-a-kind apparel and one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You hear me? Course for those who want to start a business, got to learn a business, got to take the course, got to learn something. You hear me? Best time to do it, especially in quarantine. Lockdown too. Hey, we got no excuses. You really don't. Make a change. Go ahead and make a change. But if you haven't already, make sure you shoot your arrows at the like button. Subscribe with the bell notification. When you got the bell notification, because we upload every single day, and share this with those that need it, because this is like health information that could really benefit a lot, but people can't. The doctors, the insurance, they can't bill you because of that and for this. You know what I'm saying? Because then people would have to, you know, do actual inner thinking, inner self, but then you wouldn't be getting a health advice from an obese doctor, or you wouldn't getting health advice as a whole from somebody whose skin gets sick from the sun, or somebody whose ancestry who they walk on all fours as adults. But it takes conscious thinking, critical thinking, to further advance and to be healthy. That's as far as in the mind and culture. Culture, and I say this as far as where do you come from? Where is it that you come from? Where are you from? Because all these people are talking about is African mineral balance. Even same thing we said with Sebi. The frick, look at the food on there. That ain't no African food. All that food grows here in America. Talking about. Africans don't eat that. They do. They get it from our continent. It's imported. So what is this? What is that? And same way with these coaches that follow Dr. Sebi, just doing it. It's kind of like they're not even thinking about, because they American is they, but they talking about they from Africa. Well, nigga, what tribe are you from in Africa? What tribe are you connected to? What tribe in Africa claims you? Cause you want to talk about this African stuff. Real talk. Frick that. What is that? What is that, cuz? Huh? Frick you talking about? Niggas on some dumbass African stuff. Who these niggas think they is, man? Niggas on some stupid ass stuff. Like, how? You ask them what part of Africa they think they from, or they are from. Who you related to them from Africa? How'd your people get here? How could the wooden paddle ship get to the rapid waves of the transatlantic? And what is a slave? Look at the etymology of the word slave. Slave is Slavic. Slavic is from European regions. Are you from Europe? What part of Europe are you from? And two, they're not even healthy, these coaches, because they're not in the right mindset. Because health is all. It's all. Everything in the body is connected. Where the mind goes, the body follows. Got to get your mind right. If you ain't going to talk about that, as far as the culture, you got nothing. Your culture is like your immune system. Like if it makes you more susceptible to diseases. That's how we created that t-shirt on our website, healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, so y'all can go ahead and get that. Yeah. And it's a lot of arrogance too. A lot of arrogance for these coaches and these people, health gurus and all this stuff, thinking they know everything. There's some vast information. Always so much more to know. People who think they know anything, know it all. Please, there's so much arrogance, narcissism, entitled. Please. But I see through you. Even the ones with large followings and whatnot. But hey, information like us, they know the truth. This is why stuff like that, we get age restrictions on showing people how to grow an alkaline garden for beginners. Part 1 and part 2. Videos on how to reverse virus. Videos on how to heal yourself. Reverse disease. They got that stuff for free. There's tons of content on our website as well. Come on now. healingthroughinspiration.com. Bunch of articles. Free. You want to quit smoking? 17 ways how to quit smoking. You want to stop drinking? Go ahead. 5 reasons why you shouldn't drink. Or you want to stop eating meat? How? Well, here you go. Okay, this, that. Reverse cancer. Reverse diabetes. Alopecia. Heart disease. Autism. Come on. And we would speak on the things that Dr. Sebi said, said to eat, but not on the list. Like eggplant. Come on now. Gotta listen objectively. So the Dr. Sebi did a lot of things wrong. He did do things wrong, he did. Love the brother. I really do. Love the American brother. And I say America, how could you say that? His mother's from Honduras. What continent is Honduras in? Let us know what continent. Put it in the chat, yo. You dig what I'm saying? Even still after this fast, we got clear thinking, crisp thinking. Feels great. Feels great. So if you haven't tea fasted before, what are your thoughts on it? When you want to get started, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration to book a consultation. Y'all have a great one. Hit the like button, bell notification, subscribe, comment. Peace.